It was raining, and I woke up thinking, Allah. It was raining, and I had my coffee while staring at it from far. It was raining, and I looked at the water drops in our windows. A window with water drops that were too different. Different like people are different. It was raining, and I exhaled my soul that created a foggy world of a poet who walked bare feet to manifest with birds, manifestation of trees and branches, crying from happiness. It was raining, and it was my happiness.